Alright guys, this is what I got done. So if you wanna take a look for 4 of them bolter, so if you wanna take a look for the first stage, is very barely brown because all makes up changing color, rust, dirt, and scale particles. So the process for stage 1 remove sediment, dirt, sand, salt, rust, and scale particles. That's the process for stage 1. Okay, that's why looks brown because the all mix up. Okay, down here to stage 2 also the process for stage 2 reduce chlorine and odor to improve taste. That's the process for stage 2 also. Okay, so down here also to stage 3 also the process for stage 3, an additional filter to cut any sediment from stage 1, contaminants from stage 2. That's the process for stage 3. That's why look black. Also down here also stage 4, the process for stage 4, our membrane removes up to 99% of over 1,000 contaminant from your water suitable for city and well water. That's the process for stage 4. Okay, step 1, turn off the water and power supply going up direction. Also turn off the tank valve, the blow handle going to 90°. Lift up the arrow faucet to release everything to pressure.
Alright, so this is the last 4 stages to change this in-brands housing. Get the rings over here.
Okay, I get the pliers, long nose, to fold this one. Alright, this is a membrane housing filter. So this is the 4 stitch. This is the brand new also too. Okay. Make it tight for the rinse. Okay, that's good enough. Okay. Tubing hose. Sure. Alright. Okay, that's good enough. It's ready to go. Right. Alright, is everything good? Everything is put it back already. And also we're gonna turn on the main line right here. This is the tank. Try to turn on down.